Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the battery. It should be right under convenience tools. Let's tap on it, and here we have to enter more battery settings. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got show battery percentage on status bar option, which is obviously right now turned off because here we've got only the battery icon. So let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see, actually immediately the battery percentage appears on the status bar, and to be clear, inside the battery icon. Of course, if you want to, you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.